speak about the Illumina digital color press, I'm pretty excited to talk about this device. This specialty printer allows our customers to print up to 427 grams, and also in very different media and size formats. The design goal of the Illumina was to allow the customer to print new and unique media and new and unique products so they could generate new revenue for their print shop. This device does save time and money for the print shop. It does allow him to do 0 make-ready jobs. It allows him to do any run length he wants, just like all digital printing does. However, he can do 24-point output, or 427 grams. This allows for our customers to make presentation boxes, to make greeting cards, to make postcards, to make banners, to make everything he can do today on any digital output device, but a whole lot more. This is where the printer gets to make more money, because the printer can now take business cards that he may have made before on 300-gram paper and offer the customer a 400-gram business card. And the media is everything about the customer satisfaction. The target customers for the Illumina digital color press are graphic professionals, small to medium print shops, in-house printers, card makers, copy shops, etc. We actually have several customers, some very large customers that print lots of greeting cards that like to use this device as well, and have several of them producing those kinds of output every single day. The target market is basically wherever your imagination takes you, because with the Illumina, the only limitation is your imagination. One of our customers in Chicago, Illinois, couldn't be happier to have his Illumina. Allowing him to do short-run work, he's now taken over the business card market in his area. And he's providing business cards faster, with higher quality, and a much more diverse range of media than he did before he bought this device. To quote him, he thinks that his prints, it prints quickly and the quality is outstanding. Another one of our customers in New York thinks that the ability of the Illumina to handle heavy stock is especially impressive, especially its ability to auto-adjust for all the different kinds of media that he puts into it. And this makes the device very simple. He's doing all of his proofing, he's doing unique media applications, and in line with our values, he's making money every month. Every time he buys consumables, he knows he's making money.
I'm going to explain you a little bit about what the features are of this Illumina. This Illumina has an automatic color calibration. The automatic calibration is for maintaining your quality. This means when you open the door of the Illumina and close it, all the colors are going to be the same as before. Also, when you turn it off and on, you have the same issue, it will give you the same colors. During a run of more than 500 copies, it will stop. After 500 copies, does a calibration and print again. Again, maintaining quality. The Illumina is equipped with a true Adobe PostScript 3 rip, an internal rip which is easy to handle. We also offer with the Illumina a color match software. Here we can create our own ICC profiles. Standard with this Illumina, we have the multipurpose tray for feeding of the material. It comes with an automatic duplexing unit. We have 512 megabyte RAM included and a 20 gig hard disk. Standard, we have one tray. Optional, you can purchase a high capacity feeder with 3 trays and 2 or 3 extra trays. There's also an option where you can upgrade to 1 gigabyte of RAM. The speed of this machine is 36 pages in color and 40 pages in black and white. The media weight is very wide range. From the manual feed, you can go up to 427 grams with a maximum length of 47.5 inches or 1220 millimeters. From the trays, you can go up to 216 grams. And the duplexer can go up to 120 grams. The resolution that we offer with this machine is a 1200 dpi with multi-bit technology. Okay, let's have a look on the inside of the Illumina. The Illumina is a single inline color press. What you see here is the 4-color single inline cyan, magenta, yellow and black that consists of toner per color and a drum per color. Up here we have the imaging that is done by a LED. Around here we have the fusing unit to burn in the toner on the paper. All of these consumables have easy access. You can lift this one up so you can see very easy to access drums, easy to clean paper jams that you have here. Okay. Here is the access for the multi-purpose feeder. By opening this door, this is your entrance for all your heavyweight paper that goes in here up to 427 grams and your custom size papers. One of the unique printing that an Illumina can do is printing banners, 47-inch, 1220 millimeters. It goes from this multi-purpose tray into the machine to the back. The reason why we get such a good output on the Illumina is because the paper travels flat through the machine, and that is needed for the thick stock.
One of the questions we get about the Illumina is, why don't you offer click contracts? Well, there's a couple reasons we don't offer click contracts. One reason is because we believe our customers should have the freedom to price their jobs as they see fit. Some jobs cost more, some jobs cost less. And if they can price their jobs accordingly, they're being more competitive in the marketplace. Another reason we don't offer click contracts is because we don't want to trap our customers into long-term agreements that may not be good for them in 2 or 3 years. We want our customers to have the freedom to come back to us every day for the solutions that they need. And one of the other benefits of not having click contracts is you only pay for what you use. So if our customers decide they want to go on vacation for 2 weeks and close down their print shop, well, they don't have to worry that when they get back they have a bill to pay for that click contract because they had to hit a certain amount. They only pay for what they use. So when they use more, they pay more, but they also earn more and they make more money. And that's the great aspect of the Illumina Digital Color Press, is every time you use it, you're making profit. Another question we get is, if the toner coverage is based on 5%, well, why is the cost per page so high? Well, the cost per page isn't that high. The cost per page is completely related to how much you're using the Illumina, how much the media that you're using the Illumina is of value to the customer, and the more you use it, the more it costs, but the more money you're making. So we encourage our customers, please use your Illumina as much as you can, because that's how you're going to make more profit. Another question we get is, why is our Illumina so expensive compared to the competition? Well, it's not. Actually, our competition to make the heavy kind of printing that we do is significantly more expensive than the Illumina Digital Color Press. Now, there are some devices out in the market that do cost less than the Illumina, but we don't consider that our competition because those devices cannot produce the kind of output or use the kind of media stocks that the Illumina Digital Color Press can. So in many respects, the Illumina is in a class by itself. Our customers also ask us, always, how are we going to provide service? This is a very important question because providing great service is one of our core values. Well, we are always there to assist our customers. Every time they have a question, they get on the phone and they call us in. And we have several service programs, like every other manufacturer in the industry, to offer exchange equipment programs, to offer on-site support programs. And we also have our local partners all around the world who are trained by Zonte to help service the customer in his local neighborhood.